1971 Camaro, badge Z28. This is a rotisserie restoration. Well, it's got a Magnuson supercharger, running Holley EFI that produces 750 horse. Good God, it's self-tuning setup, Pro Dash system, got all the great gauges, 6-liter LS2 motor with a Magnuson supercharger. Well, what else can it do? It can fly, I assume. It's very, it's intimidating is what it is. It's very intimidating. But this is what a Resto-Mod's all about. I love the silver with the black stripes. It's a traditional looking car for sure. It's got great interior though. It does have an automatic. It's got a brand new setup in there though. It looks really new. God, I just love these cars because, you know, it's cool on the outside. Old, 71, a little thin, but on the inside it's got all the modern stuff. And, well, look at the tires. Look at the size of them.
Weld racing wheels.
Big on the back, skinny on the front. Well, not really that skinny. Whew, man, the Z28, it just looks so nice. I love the silver and black, Jake. It's my favorite. It really is. Classic muscle car look. Oh, look at this. I love that. Rotisserie restoration. So they did it all, and boy, they did it well. You got a center console, you got the Grant steering wheel, which I love. Beautiful, beautiful car. Jake, we should absolutely take this out for a spin.
I think you're right.
We have to drive this. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How cool is that? Okay, you ready to go?
Frank, I think we'll hear it.
Wow. Oh boy.
Yeah? It's a little loud, isn't it?
Well, you definitely know it's on. Oh, that helps.
It's a little loud.
It's whisper quiet, Jake. What are you talking about? I can really get into my inner head about some thoughts I forgot. The meaning of life. Wow, this engine is fun. Well, Jake, it's loud and it's fast. It scares me a little bit, but I like it. I like being this kind of scared. And it's got vintage air. I love air conditioning. Air conditioning
nice.
and speed.
And it's cold, actually.
Oh, very much so.
I can feel it.
Oh, there's my vents open. Well, I'm like the door. You know how you always say, give it the beans?
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a little bit. I'm not going to give it the full beans.
Yeah, I wouldn't give it full beans.
We may end up back in time. This is a wonderful, big Resto-Mod. I just scared that Subaru off the road. Don't worry, sir. I gave it a little beans.
Doesn't take much, does it?
Oh, no. Holy cow. It's a rocket ship. It's a silver with black stripe rocket ship. My God. Whoever put it together knew what they were doing, and I love the steering wheel.
Yeah, the wheel's cool.
Yeah. I gave it no beans. I really didn't. I just put my foot gently on the accelerator and it took off. I love blinkers. AC, blinkers, a seatbelt that looks like it can hold us back from anything. God love it. Well, everybody's found our spots, Jake.
That's all right.
I think we're trendsetters.
We'll go down a little further, maybe. Past that Cadillac or whatever that is.
Oh, yes.
I think they heard us coming.
Oh, I believe everyone heard us coming. The dogs don't like it.
Start up?
Yes. I think you'll know when we're ready. It's a trunk. There is nothing in it. It's clean. This car's got beans. It's loaded with them. Yes, Jake, I am. Here we go.